So I want to set my face first before we do the highlighter. So makeup setting spray, let this to sit for a minute, not a minute, just for a little, before we apply our highlighter. Now it's very damp. If we apply our highlighter now, it will just stick. So just let it to dry off a little. It's highlighter time. It's time to light up the face. I am using this Candid Blue highlighter from Younger Beauty. I'm going to use this brush, add a little bit of setting spray on the brush. I'm going to take a little, see where the blush end, almost on top of the blush, but it's like the end of the blush and on top of it. That is where we place our highlighter. So light up our face. You can take it up if you want to. When we are blending it, we'll take it. Now we have not blended it, we are just placing it. After placing it, before we now blend it, right? Then we'll add a little on our nose, like so. Don't draw it down like this. You just add a little here, then you come here between your eyes. Between your two eyes, this place, you add a little there. Then the tip of your nose, you add a little there. Then top of your mouth, top of your lips. Add a little there. Don't worry, we'll blend it. Then your chin. Right, that is where you place your highlighter. Now let's blend it. Set our face again with the setting spray. Face is glowing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. God bless you.